Just like price at the end? Just pile and price?
And everything's very good price. 50 cents, $1, $2.
Perfect. That's what I like to hear.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Inside yard sale. It's called a church sale. Yeah.
I hate that name.
You do?
I hate to be like that.
Well, they said they're not gonna offer it to older people. They're gonna give it to the younger people.
Hello. Good morning. How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
Thanks for stopping.
Thank you.
Hold on.
No, this way.
Okay.
I want a robot cat.
Okay, hold on a second.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it.
It is really awesome. That is what I wanted.
Okay.
I was a baby when I was getting this. It has batteries in it to say meow.
That's a lot of words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it is so cool, Dada. When I was a baby again, I will have a real cat.
My goodness.
But this is a robot cat because it is not a real cat.
That is crazy, Elliot.
Because it is just a robot and has batteries in it.
You just love robots,
I
don't you?
don't want to turn it on right now.
Okay.
Because it will say now and the yard sale.
Okay. Let's go look over here real fast, okay?
You open my door. You open my robot cat, Mama. Can I follow you, Mama? You open my robot cat.
Whoa.
Will you open ever? Can I turn it on?
I don't know what that is.
I think he has batteries in it. I get this kitty ever.
If we build our congregation up enough, we probably would. But right now, we've just got older people. We're trying to get some younger ones in.
I really want to get him into something, well, both of them, but it's just.
Our services at 10 o'clock on Sunday morning.
Do you think that it's just because so many people are not really church now,
He wants to, Mama.
or younger?
That is really
I
awesome.
think younger people aren't going.
Nephew was the superintendent at the Shelby County schools. And of course, he worked his way up teacher principal. He said he could tell.
Oh, I'm sure.
Oh, it even talks.
Is this stuff for sale too?
Uh-huh.
Don't walk away.
Everything except me.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Elliot, look what it is. It's Bart Simpson.
Well, I got the toy cat.
You got the toy cat. You like the toy cat.
Sure is.
How much you have on these little guys right here? These little.
It's whatever you want to give.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Okay.
Everything is whatever you want to give. So,
That makes it hard.
yeah, that makes it easy. Okay.
I bet you're going to need a sack.
Yeah. Grab these things right here.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Afternoon already.
It's afternoon already.
What are those, keychains?
Yeah, just like little keychain can opener things. Or a bottle openers. Let's see. and a board game. And I think he has 2 toys, and she has that little thing right there.
Well, it's free will offered.
Okay.
No problem. Ah,
Well, you might see us sometime soon.
well, we'd love to have you. We've got all the little stuff for little ones. Yeah, we do need little ones.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, that was the important part. Looks like it says Fabergé soap on a rope, but I don't think that's Fabergé. Is that just supposed to be a joke? Careful.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
We have more stuff inside too.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Help yourself looking around.
That sounds fun, thank you. Just like price at the end? Just
Yeah.
pile and price?
And everything's very good price. 50 cents, $1, $2.
Perfect. That's what I like to hear. Okay, this way, buddy.
Do it on an angle like.
Why did I buy it? So for $1, you're like, I don't care about
We'll take a look. Okay, Elliot, stand right there. Let me get Sissy's.
Uh-huh.
Be worth looking.
Yeah. She possibly has one. Okay. Hi. Hello.
Oh, careful, bub.
Can't buy those anywhere anymore, huh?
They are getting hard to find. I know that.
Right there.
Say hi, Elliot.
I love that big game.
Oh yeah, I've never seen it before.
Have you never seen it before?
Mm-mm.
Can I tell you about it?
Sure.
So we play with big groups of people, in fact kids, and so there's like wheat and barley and hay, and so you all are given, and I forget, like 7 cards, and then you all are saying like, let's say you have 2 hays and somebody else have 2 barley, you're all just, but you don't tell them what you have,
Right.
you just do 2, 2, 2. You're listening for somebody that wants to trade 2 cards with you.
Uh-huh.
So you're all shouting 3, 3, 4, 4, and you're trading cards, and then you're hoping, the idea is all 7 cards need to be all wheat or all barley.
Huh.
So you all are changing really quickly.
Gotcha.
And then as soon as you ring the bell, as soon as you have, and I forget if it's 7 or 8 cards of the one, as soon as you have it, you ring the bell, and then you're the winner, and there's points on it. And like if the barley was worth 40 points, you won the round and you got 40 points. And it's pretty fun.
Yeah, that sounds
I saw it
fun.
in there, and I almost thought, because we have another home, and it was like, oh, maybe I should buy that for my other home.
Yeah, that sounds pretty cool.
Anyhow.
Is it okay if I just make like a little pile over here or something?
Yeah, or if you want to put it on the edge. Can you watch this while I go in? I think I have one of those inside.
I guess the bell's in there.
Ow!
There we go.
Oh, he got a toy robot on the last. He's fine.
So look at that. Play school. It's kind of neat, isn't it?
But it's not for kids.
It's not for kids. Who's it for? Adults?
Yeah,
Big people?
yeah,
Okay. You want to walk now?
yeah.
You do? Okay. Stay right here with me, okay?
Doesn't matter. Oh, if they're all in there, or you want
It's in mine.
No, that's glass. You would break that.
Look at these, Dada.
Oh, there's a. That's a wrap. Marcia is in there.
The daughter of the woman who lived here. It was her parents. She grew up here. Let me get out of your way.
Well, we lived right up the street here. Now we live on the corner up the street.
Ah.
But I had.
I was 8 years old. And then we were there 5 years, and then he stayed right there.
No, he was at Wilkinson when I went there. I remember that. I remember him.
Let's go. What are we looking at?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 6. And I'm just doing 50 cents for each of these.
Okay.
And there's 4 of them in here. 6, 7, 8,
Okay.
9, 10, 11, 12.
11, 12.
Does that sound good?
That sounds fair.
And we have, is there something? Yeah, oh, that somebody bought that. But here, we got bags here.
Okay, awesome.
Okay. Ooh, help me count these bags.
There's that.
Okay. Thank you. Do you like garage selling with Mom and Dad? I've always liked garage selling. My grandkids love to garage sell with us. They have a fun time looking through this stuff.
She's probably about at her limit now.
She was, yeah, probably. They do give a limit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Good luck.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, my friends, we are back in the garage. Got a late start on Friday, so didn't get a whole lot, didn't hit a whole lot of sales. We hit 3 sales and bought from 2 of them. Didn't pick up a whole lot, but found a couple interesting things. So let me show you real quick what we did get. First sale was a church sale, and it was donation only, which means I probably kind of overpaid for what I did get, but it goes to a good cause, so that's okay. I saw this Social Security board game here. I tend to pick up old board games if I've never seen them before. This one has a little bit of water damage on it. Turns out, not that great of a find. Looks like it's a $10 to $20 game. Like I said, mine does have some damage, so I'm not exactly sure how much I'll get out of it or if it'll even be worth selling. May just go to a donate pile, we'll see. A couple new old stock Samsung phone batteries. Looks like I can probably get about $20 for the pair, so that's probably the best find from that church sale. There were 20 of these new old stock 1998, I guess, vintage fan fueler keychain helmet bottle opener things. Just kind of grabbed them because they were new in the package. I did see a sold comp for an open one for like $11. So given that math, I think we could possibly do okay, but I think it's just going to take a long time to sell them. I think what we may have here is a bit of a ferry bridge situation, if you know what I'm saying. So if anyone needs a new old stock helmet, NASCAR bottle opener keychain, let me know. Just kidding. Didn't get anything from the second sale, but the third sale was much bigger. Didn't find a whole lot of high value stuff, but found some interesting things and a couple little decent flips. But I got these vintage Property of George stick-on label things. There's 36 in there and it's unopened. I don't really think it's worth anything, but it was kind of interesting, so I grabbed it. A 1984 Cabbage Patch figurine. Again, not a lot of value, but it was old, sealed, and that's one of the criteria I look for when things are cheap, and I just kind of take a gamble. I paid $12, I think, for everything, and Sarah even got some crafting stuff in that price, so definitely didn't spend a lot here, so that's okay. An old Imperial pocket knife. I tend to pick up pocket knives if they're cheap enough, especially older ones. This one looks like it's about a $10 to $15 knife, maybe a little bit more if I get it nice and clean and take good pictures of it. Some vintage new old stock Legs sheer energy knit lined gloves. I thought that was pretty cool. Again, not a lot of value, but they were new old stock from like the early 90s, so I went ahead and grabbed those. I got this Norelco triple header vintage shaver here. I used to do really well with these. Like I used to sell them in the $20 to $30 range, but the bottom's really dropped out on these recently for some reason. Looks like it's more of like a $5 to $10 item now, and now I know, so that's okay. This Parker Brothers Pit Game vintage right here. I'd never heard of it. Again, not a lot of value, unfortunately, but there is this cool orange bell inside, which if I don't sell it, I'm sure I can do something with this bell. Pretty cool. I found myself a part-time picker's bolo, this unopened pack of Decon. It's a bait tray. I don't think this is the exact one he showed, but it looks like this still has some pretty decent value, maybe up to like $20 to $25. So this is one of the better finds from that sale. The most interesting thing, I think, from that sale, because it was a super innocent sale. Here, let me put this camera down. For some reason, they had a vintage Megadeth poster. It's the Countdown to Extinction promo poster. In pretty good shape. It's got some wrinkles in it, but there's no like thumbtack holes or anything. It looks like this is probably a $25 to $35 poster. So this is probably the best find, and it's the most unusual find. I could not believe that this was sitting inside her house next to Avon Products vintage glassware and stuff. So this is definitely my favorite find of the day, this vintage Megadeth poster. Wish I could have found a bunch of stuff like this, but this is what I did find. But that's what we found on Friday. It is what it is. Gonna make a few bucks and probably end up adding to my Goodwill donation pile. But as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.